How to manage assistant notifications on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage assistant notifications on Google Mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Google and then click this one on your profile here and then click settings, and now you will find this one here, notifications. Click on it and then click on this one, second one, notifications. And as you see in this category, assistant, you can manage assistant notifications. You can turn it off if you want, and you can turn it on again, and you can manage here anything you want. And that's how to manage assistant notifications on Google Mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.